Hi everybody, welcome to Reality Buzz TV. This episode, you guys, of Ingane Zesithembu for me had one disappointing element, and I can't stop thinking about it because I feel like I want to be stupid and not use my brain on this one. I really don't want to use my brain on this one. And it's like no matter how I look at it, it's right in front of my face. I'm trying to ignore it and I can't ignore it. I have always been the biggest supporter of the relationship kaMacele noSne. I've always thought uMacele loves uSne, supports uSne. I've always thought uMacele is one wife that treats uSne like Sne is her biological child. She will defend uSne to the grave. This is the first time that I am like, does uMacele love uSne? Or is she looking for her personal maid, like a free maid? And she's looking for uSne to be freely available for her and to repay these debts that she has accumulated, because of course she has helped her so much by raising her child uThando, and because of that uSne is indebted to uMacele, and because of that uSne is supposed to stay kaMacele and help uMacele with whatever it is that uMacele needs help with, which most of the time it's house chores and whatever, taking care of the kids, which in this past season we saw when uSne didn't want to go on a trip, and uMacele also didn't want to go on a trip, but uSne was forced to go on a trip because somebody needed to take care of the kids, and uSne ended up having to go, even though both of them didn't want to go, but uSne wanted to go because she feels indebted to uMacele. Now, on this scene, you guys, of Ingane Zesithembu, uMacele's complaint is that uSne is not available for her. Also, uMacele, when I need you, you are not available. Granted, you guys, for the funeral, I support Macele. Sne should have gone to that funeral. Any member of the family loses somebody, all of the members of the family should be there. Sne should attend the funeral when Macele loses a member of your family. Sne should attend a funeral if Makhumalo loses a member of the family, if Mangwabe loses a member of the family, if Mayeni loses a member of the family. Sne should attend the funeral because they are all family. That I support. But it also just sounds like Macele wants uSne to be there for her in the house. Doing what? It just sounds to me like she's looking for uSne to be a maid. Remember, you guys, there was a scene that they shot, I don't remember which season, where uMacele said she was upset that she had been sick. And she said that all of her kids had gone to visit She said that all of her kids, Abo Nolwandle, had gone to visit Kacele, guys. That scene is on the previous seasons. She said her kids had gone to visit Kacele. Babeko malume wabo. The same way that Usne is saying she went Wayagashib. So Macele was sick. And the kids, babeyicacele. Oh, no. Babeyegoli. Khona umuntu wasegoli, babemvakashele. A relative of theirs, eGoli. Yeah, babeyegoli. And then Macele was sick. But Usne wanted to go visit too. So the thing was, who was going to take care of Macele while she was sick? And Macele wanted Usne to stay in the house and take care of her. So she led her kids to go visit, but she wanted Usne to stay and take care of her. So everybody went and visited, and she expected Usne to stay and take care of her. Usne decides to say, no, we are Hambanai to visit. And that was a big thing. That scene is coming back to my mind. What does she expect from Usne? Back then, that whole thing for me was just like, but Usne should have stayed. I mean, Umawako is sick. You should have stayed, really, and took care of Macele. I mean, this woman is taking care of your child. I mean, she was sick. Couldn't you just stay until she was well? Vele Usne ended up apologizing for that whole thing, what she shouldn't have gone. She just wanted to go and hang out with her friends because she wanted to go Aygashiwe so that Angazba will spend the New Year with her friend or something like that, you guys. But it was about her hanging out with her friend. It was like if she goes Aygashiwe, she was going to go get to hang out with her friends. Something like that. But now that scene is coming back to me to be like, really honestly, it's like, uthando lukaMacele for Usne, like manje ngiyaliquestiona mina guys. Manje ngiyaliquestiona mina ukuthi uMacele ufuna ingane yakhe lena noma it's her own personal slave or maid lena. Because Macele is very protective of her biological children, but she doesn't protect Usne because simbonile bemnaphaza izolo. And guys, yeah, it's very easy ukunaphaza Usne vele ngoba unamanaphanapha vele. Unamanaphanapha vele Usne. It's very easy ukunaphaza Usne. It's very easy to ukunaphaza Usne ngoba vele unamanaphanapha. Kodwa Usne is not the only one unamanaphanapha. Like I said, which uLwandle has a story going on in the internet where he allegedly had a baby. uLwandle. Nobody asked uLwandle about that story. Where is the baby? That girl had pictures with uLwandle. They were in bed with uLwandle. At some point, there were flowers that uLwandle had given to this girl. They had pictures in the car with this girl. This girl was allegedly pregnant. There was a baby. At some point, this girl said the baby died. That story is similar to the story of Usne having this boyfriend that was supposed to come and pay lobola, and then the lobola ended up not happening. Why is Usne asked to account for the story said lobola on camera, but uLwandle is not being asked that story? What happened to the baby Lwandle? What happened to the girlfriend Lwandle? That girl even had a picture of her and uMacele. They were in the same picture, that girl. But nobody is asking Lwandle, there is a story of you with this girl, and this girl is supposed to have had a baby and the baby died. What happened with that baby? Did you have a baby with this girl? Macele is not going to ask uLwandle about that whole thing on camera, but she's going to ask Usne about the lobola situation. Macele is protecting her biological children, but she's not protecting Usne. So now I'm like questioning, like, yeah, you love Usne, but you want her around. Like now I'm like starting to see, like, this woman, does she want Usne like around, like because she loves her so much, or it's just like, You want her around because you need a cleaner in the house and you need somebody to take care of your children. Like, I'm looking at my child like, my face. Like, we need to live longer for our children, because when you die and leave your children behind, like, your children be going through some stuff. Like, when as a mother you're not around, like, because Usne must not go anywhere now. But like, remember, Usne is a grown woman. Like, they can't expect that Usne is not going to have a boyfriend. Like, Usne Shibe, she must go Aiga Shibe. She must not go to Durban and see her boyfriend and then go Aiga Shibe, you know. She must stay la. Sipaka clean Usne. While they are there in Joburg. Benzama videos, the cooking videos. Hi guys. I'm disappointed by that, by the realization of that whole thing. Ukuthi uMacele actually protects her biological children, but she doesn't necessarily do the same with Usne. And also, khona lento ukuthi ngathi she exploits Usne just the same as Umusa does. Because I had this thing, uMacele will protect Usne compared to Umusa. Musa will exploit Usne. Every opportunity he gets, he will do it. But I had this picture, uMacele, that's different. But now I'm realizing, no. Everybody will exploit Usne every opportunity that they get. Usne wanted to have a good season this season. She thought she was shooting a good scene. She thought she was sitting down for a good scene. She thought she was having a good start of the season. She's like, oh, I want to say thank you, my dog, for taking care of my children. Hi, bamnaphaza shame. Bamnaphaza. Because they want to have a good show. But they're not going to do that with their other children, even when they have an opportunity. Musa Mseleko is never going to do that to Mpumelelo. And Mpumelelo has a lot of mistakes. Musa Mseleko is never going to sit and ask Mpumelelo about Nosipho. You said you were going to marry a virgin. Where is Nosipho? You can't be going around breaking everybody's virginities and not marrying those girls. Musa is not going to ask that because he's scared of Mpumelelo. He's not going to naphaza Mpumelelo like that. The same way that they're doing, because we are not saying Usne doesn't have miss. Usne unamaphutha. That's why it's easy to naphaza Usne, because unamaphutha vele. We are naphazeka because unamaphutha. But they are never going to do something like that to Mpumelelo because bamsab. They are scared of Mpumelelo. They are never going to do that with Mpumelelo. How many mistakes have Mpumelelo done? Nobody this season is going to sit and ask Mpumelelo about the shooting. Nobody. Nobody is going to ask Mpumelelo, where did the gun come from? Why did you ask that guy? Couldn't you call the police? You see how much trouble you've got us into. We saw in the internet that you asked somebody. Nobody's going to sit Mpumelelo down and ask him about the thing in the internet. But they had to sit Usne and ask him about the lobolo, because the girl in the internet was talking about the lobolo. But the girl in the internet also talked about Mpumelelo asking somebody. But nobody's going to talk about that. But because they are scared of Mpumelelo, they're not going to talk about that. Everybody has this unfair thing when it comes to Usne. And it's like even the internet accepts it when it comes to Usne. And you will see in the way that they talk about the show. We accept that it's okay for them to treat Usne that way. Because unamaphutha, it's okay to talk about amaphutha kasne, but everybody else, nobody must talk about amaphutha banyabantu. Nobody must discuss amaphutha kaMpumelelo. Nobody must discuss amaphutha kaLwandle. Everybody must be presented as perfect. But Usne, even when Usne is trying to have just a perfect anyana season. She must not. That is not fair. Mina, if I was Usne, I was like, yo, ake nisale nale show yenu. Ngibone ukuthi nizoba ne show enjani. I would leave them with their boring show. Because that show would be boring. But I'm disappointed by Umacelishem. I am, because I'm realizing this woman don't love Usne the way that I thought she did. Anyway, you guys, let's meet in the comment section. Thank you so much. Ngithanda kakhulu.